Hello, this is Mark. The main purpose of demonstration is to introduce HSSP application based on a smartphone. So first you have to be logged into the application. So the main purpose of this HSSP application is to analyze on the food processing and do inspection on a facility. So in order to create an HSSP plan, you have to fill following the basic information. So first is the companies. Here is all I already created all data into the database. So if you want to add more companies, you will just press an add button. Okay, since I already created a company, so just press what is the basic information. Okay, here is listed in the basic information, and also the company is related to the facility and the products that they produce. Okay, next information is the facility. Okay, facility is related to the products and approved process. All this process is related to these two products of the facility. Okay, next is you have to fill products. Okay, here I choose two kind of products. One is a salad, second is flour fried chicken. So if you wanted to add more, just press the add button. So I created two of them. So first is salad. Here is of course is basic information, and product is related to the formula. So product has to have at least one formula, and also the product is related to the facility. Okay, so next is a formula, and here's the two formulas. So formula is you have to fill the basic information of the formula to choose in product, and you have to upload and process image of the salad cooking processing. So also the formula is related to the process steps, all these steps. First is receiving. When you cook in a salad, you have to through all these steps. So first is receiving the raw materials, second is storage at the room temperatures, etc. And also related to the ingredients. So what ingredients you use to cook a salad. So next is the process. Here is a list of the general process of food processing. So receiving, storage. Here is just a list of them. When you creating the process, you have to assign with the hazards. All the process step is assigned within hazards. Okay. Next is the hazards. Here is the basic hazards list that you used in these two products. Okay, here's all the information you filled. So now the next step is to analyze on food process steps. Okay, you have to go to the companies, and company is related to the facility. Here, facility. The facility is connected with all process steps. There's all two process steps related to the two products. Okay, so deep frying, for example, is deep frying. Okay, here is assigned hazard is here. You just press on hazards. Okay, if you not analyze it, the status will be incomplete. If it is complete, which means that this the process hazard is already analyzed, but I will show you how to analyze on process step. Just press an edit button. Okay, here all this process is according to the figure 7 in my thesis. So first question is, do control preventive measure exist? If you answer yes, the next question will be, is the step specifically designed to eliminate or reduce the likely occurrence of the hazard to an acceptable level? If it is no, so the question will be different. Okay, so I said yes. So next also I said yes. Okay, so if I say yes, and is the specifically designed to an Elluminate, so next will be describe. You have to describe a control measure, and you will just put in a critical control point number, and then you have to find the critical limits, and then prefer monitoring documentation, and take action, and then find the personal responsibilities on that hazards. Okay, after you fill all this information, you just press the save button here, and it will show you the status will be changed to complete. Okay, now all this process steps hazard is analyzed, so because all this status is complete. So now we are ready to create an HSSP plan on 2 products. Okay, just go to the HSSP plan part, and here is the list of requests you wanted to create it. It's the salad HSSP plan and flour fried chickens plan. Okay, so since I already created them, just press it, and here is the name of the products, facility of the name, and approved person and approved date. So it's assigned product is salad. Okay, so if you wanted to take it by PDF to send an email, just check this button and create a press and generate button. So this will send you HSSP plan by email. The format is PDF. Okay, here now it's ready. You can check your email address, and HSSP plan is sent to your email address. Okay, next main thing is to do request and inspection. So administrator can create inspection request. So administration will choose who is the inspector. So here is I already created an inspection. So you choose inspector is inspector 2. So where do you need to inspect is the facility name is ANU restaurant. The inspection type is equipment. So inspection have to start at that day, and inspection have to end in this day. So result is if it is passed, you will just present passed, or if it is need to change something, it will say in failed. So you have to fill the reason why you want to inspect on that facility. And after create the request of the inspection, the inspector will go to this software and will check the request and will have to answer all these following questions. And after that, just create in passed or failed, then in a save button. Okay, here is the end of my demonstration. So you can just see what is about and managing users. So if you wanted to add more users, more administration, or more inspector, you will just go to manage users and will press an add button. But thank you for your attention.